let's get you an update on what's happening in the Freebies case in the Supreme Court. The court has sought a response from all sides in the Freebies case. Now this, remember, after the Aam Aadmi Party, it is the DMK that has actually further filed for an exhaustive definition of freebies. So the Supreme Court has adjourned this matter till Monday. It remains to be seen what happens next. Remember, there was a BJP leader who filed a petition on the issue of freebies, saying that if freebies are granted in the manner that they are, then it would exhaust the limited financial resources available with the state. This, of course, targeted specifically the Aam Aadmi Party governments that have, come to power with the promise of free electricity, free water. And Arvind Kejriwal, as remember, as a part of his Gujarat campaign yesterday, even promised free education. So as the debate on freebies rages on, the DMK along with the Aam Aadmi Party now appear to be on the same side in the court. The Supreme Court has sought a response from all parties and the matter has been adjourned till Monday. Right. So this, in fact, is the latest development that we're tracking for you. We will get you an update on what happens in court on Monday. But so far, it does appear that the next hearing will in fact take place on Monday, with the Supreme Court giving time to all sides to file their side of the story. Let's go right across to Arvind joining us with the very latest. Arvind, what happened in court?
Rishika, could you please repeat the question? Sorry, I didn't hear your question.
Yes, Arvind, what happened in court? The freebies case has been adjourned till Monday.
Yeah, Rishika, today Supreme Court heard the PAL that was filed by advocate and also BJP leader Ashwini Upadhyay, asking for direction to restrain the political parties from announcing freebies ahead of the election. So today, when the matter was taken up for hearing, Centre sought for an adjournment. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the central government, he sought for an adjournment and he said that some of the parties, including few political parties, have filed impleadment applications in this particular matter. That also includes Aam Aadmi Party and also DMK. Along with that, other people connected to this particular case, including the stakeholders, they have also filed some kind of responses in this particular matter. And that's why Centre said that they need time to go through the responses that have been filed by the several parties in this particular case. And that's why they sought an adjournment. And also Chief Justice of India also said that whichever side, including the political parties, whoever wants to join this particular hearing, particular case, they are at liberty to file their response, whether if they are supporting the freebies or whether they are opposing the freebies. Whatever be the case, the Supreme Court asked all those parties to file their responses in return so that Supreme Court can consider it. At the outset, Supreme Court raised 2 to 3 very important questions. One, they asked the clear-cut definition of freebies. What is a freebie? Whether every welfare scheme can be construed as a freebie, that's something that Supreme Court wanted to know from the parties. And they also said that there are several schemes like Manrega and also several schemes like giving free electricity and also free education, etc. Can all those be construed as a freebie? Something that the Supreme Court is trying to look into this particular matter, though the Supreme Court said that it is a complicated matter, and that's why they have asked all the parties, all the related parties, stakeholders in this particular case to give their responses in return. But at the outset, Centre also made a very important argument, saying that though the Centre is not opposing anything related to socialism or anything that relates to social welfare measures, but what they are saying is that every freebie cannot be called as a social welfare measure. That's something the Centre said. But nevertheless, Supreme Court asked all the sides to file their responses in return so that the Supreme Court can get to know which side stands on which side, whether they support the freebies or whether they oppose the freebies, or whether there is a need to constitute an expert body in order to get into this very complicated issue, something that the Supreme Court will dwell upon or will decide on Monday.